Hi, colleagues and friends. Today we want to do, a special way of playing the Nhetetes, playing them as chords. So we started out with, playing. So this is what I'm calling a chord, playing both the thumb and the index finger on the right. And we want to extend that to all the notes that we're going to play on the right. So for the first phrase, we'll play this 1 and 5. Again. And so when you combine with the left, again. So that's the first phrase. So when you play like this, you have to practice so that this note, you can hear this note, but you can also hear this note. Because sometimes if you play like this, well, what you're hearing is just this note. Or if you, so you have to play it so that you are hearing both the number 1 and the number 5. So and then for the second phrase, again. Again. Third phrase, so 2 and 6. And then the last phrase, again. Again. So if we do the full cycle, so for the first phrase, again, you're combining 1 and 6, and then you continue. So there are ways to try and play the higher Nhetetes as chords, but it's more difficult, where you could play. So this is number 5 and number 8. And then you come back to number 0 and number 7. And then number 1 and number 6. And then you continue. So it's difficult. You'd have to practice a little more. But so what most people do is when you play the higher Nhetetes, you just play one note. And then when you get to the point where you can combine, so once you have this, you add it to the other styles of playing the Nhetetes. In other words, you can play singles, you can play the chords. But the lesson is that for every Nhetete you play, you can play it as a chord. At least there's a part where you can play it as a chord. Now, so the second thing is that we said, we are learning Karigamombe in both the simultaneous, or you can split the note and then start with the left. So now that we have this way of playing the Nhetetes, you can do the alternating but using chord Nhetetes. And then you can increase the speed. So this is it. Now these notes that we're playing as chords, you can split them so that you play. So we're back to singles, but using, in other words, you could go where we're playing. So the first one I'm playing using the thumb. The second one I play using the index finger. So where we're going. And then the second phrase, where we're going, you go. So we're splitting the notes. So there are many other variations. There are many other things as you play it more and more, you experiment. But at least for the lesson today, we have learned how to do chords, and then those chords you can split them. Then you can combine with the other Nhetetes that we did. So I think for the Nhetetes, these are enough variations. With the basic part, we moved to play 5 and 6, and then we moved to play R8. And then today's lesson we're playing chords, and then you can also split the chords. And this is enough material, to play around with the Nhetetes. And we've done nothing, to change the way we're playing the left side. That we'll do in the next lesson. So I think that's it for today. Thank you.